Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to download and install the Chase Bank app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then, open the App Store. Next, check that you're signed into your Apple ID. You'll need an Apple ID to download any apps. If you're not signed in, tap your profile icon and log in. Now, go to the search bar at the top and type in Chase. The first result should be Chase Mobile by JP Morgan Chase & Co. Tap Get, then Install, and enter your Apple ID password if prompted. The app will begin downloading and installing on your iPhone. If you don't see the app on your home screen, swipe to the last page or check the app library under Recently Added. You can also press and hold the app to move it to your home screen for easier access. Once the installation is complete, open the Chase app, sign in or create an account, and start managing your banking details. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.